Good morning. Today we will be seeing about database management system Unit 1 introduction to database. So here we will be seeing about introduction to database applications. DBMS stands for database management system. Purpose of database management system: use of data. Introduction to database system. Introduction to database system. Database system is a software system that enables the creation, organization, management, retrieval of large amount of structured data consisting of two main components: a database, an organized collection of related data. Database management system is a software that manages the database. So it contains storage and software. The software is called as DBMS and the storage is called as database, which contains the related data. So what is data? Data is a raw fact, figures without context, without meaning. 123 John, 90%. These are all the data. What is information? Is a process data is the information. Example, you can see students John secured 90% in DBMS. So this is called as an information. Evolution of database management system. First is file-based system. Before 1960s, data stored in flat files, leading to redundancy and inconsistency. Redundancy means duplication. So in earlier file system contains duplications. Because of duplication, inconsistency will be there. When you change in one place, it may not be changed in other places. So it leads to inconsistent. So next one is hierarchical and network database, 1968 to 1970. Organized data in a tree or graph structure, and then relational database or DBMS came 1970. It is most popular. 1970 and 80s proposed by E.F. Code, storing data in tables or relations. Next, object-oriented database or object-oriented relational database, 1990s, supports multimedia and complex data. Modern database include NoSQL, new SQL, cloud-based systems supporting big data, real-time analytics, distributed storage. Purpose of database management system. Examples you can see: Oracle, MySQL, Microsoft SQL Server, PostgreSQL, MongoDB, Firebase. So most popularly you can see that Oracle and SQL Server. These are the most powerful servers used in the corporates. And some of the evolving are MongoDB, Firebase. Applications of database. So database systems are applied across almost all fields today. Wherever you see you can have the database system will be there for used for storing the informations. And example of applications are banking and finance. For banking and finance, mainly it is used for customer account management, for creating new account and all those things. Online transactions can perform debit, credit, money transfer like that. And then fraud detection, checking whether the ATM card is fraud or not. Loan processing, can also provide loans, and that details will be stored in the database. And education, student information system, exam database, online learning platforms, digital libraries. So these are some of the popular applications. Similarly, healthcare, patient record, hospital management system, telemedicine data storage, medical research database. Business and e-commerce, inventory management, sales tracking, customer relationship management, payment gateway. So government and defense, citizen identification, e-governance service, national security database, defense intelligence. Social media and entertainment, Facebook, Instagram store millions of user profiles. Netflix, YouTube use database for content recommendations. DBMS serves multiple purpose: data storage and retrieval. stores large volume of data efficiently, allows user to retrieve data using queries. Data abstraction hides lower level storage details from the user, provides conceptual view instead of physical data storage. Data integrity and consistency ensures accuracy and consistency of data. No duplicate student ID will be there. Data security will be there. Provides authentication, access control, admin and normal user. Multi-user access supports concurrent user, ensures data consistency using concurrency and control techniques. Reduce data redundancy. Central storage reduces unnecessary duplications. Backup and recovery, automatic recovery in case of system crashes. Maintains logs and restore points. Views of data. Levels of the data. Different Dbms 3 levels of architecture. Physical level, logical level and view level. Physical level is the lowest level, describes how data are actually stored on the device. Example, use of B3 or hashing, indexing and all those things. Logical level, describe what data is stored and relationship among them. Example, students table with attributes. The table creation will be coming under the logical level. Low level. Next one is view level, higher level. Describes how user sees the data. Different user gets different customized view. Example, student sees grade, teacher sees attendance and marks, admin sees personal plus academic plus financial record. Types of independence: logical data independence, physical data independence. Change in logical schema will not affect the application programs. Physical data independence. Change in physical storage does not affect the logical structure. There lies an independence. A diagram shows the view level, logical level and physical level. Thank you.